Hello everyone, welcome to NaturoCure. In the last video, we have covered most effective food for fat burning, and today also we will continue our journey for the same. Before going into the details of healthy fat burning foods, requesting my viewers to subscribe to NaturoCure channel and like, comment and share our videos with the friends and families. Chili pepper. Chili pepper are infamous for their spiciness. As you may have likely experienced, when you eat lot of spicy dishes, your body starts sweating. This is because chili pepper are rich in capsaicin, known to stimulate thermogenesis and boost metabolism. A review found the capsaicin helps to reduce the appetite and may increase the energy expenditure by 50 calories per day. Furthermore, chili peppers may also help to support fat loss by promoting fullness and preventing overeating. Apple. Apples are high in fiber and eating just one can give you a feeling of fullness. A big apple contains nearly 5 grams of fiber. Apples are also abundant in pectin, which has been shown to double the time it takes for stomach to empty when compared to other fiber. In short, it keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Pectin restricts fat absorption by the cells, thereby helping the cells to remove fat. Apples also have certain polyphenols that activate the fat burning genes, delivering a double whammy to your stubborn fat deposits. Apples are also high in antioxidants that improve oxidation in your body, which depletes fat deposit further. Cacao. Cacao and cocoa have a same plant origin. Cacao is simply the raw fruit of the plant, one of the best fat burning foods. Once the seed is roasted, it becomes cocoa. In its raw form, cacao is a treasure trove of nutrition and is as close to being a fat-burning elixir if even one existed. Cacao contains antioxidants called polyphenols, which may help with treating obesity. A study demonstrated that cocoa has a lower levels of plasma insulin. They also had a lower levels of inflammatory indicators and diabetes. Many other studies have shown that cocoa exhibits higher antioxidant activities and improve insulin sensitivity. Cacao contains flavonoids, antioxidants that can protect us from free radicals and promote heart health. Greek yogurt. Whether you are adding it to your smoothie or having it a perfect post-workout recovery fuel, Greek yogurt will help you to build muscle. The creamy snack is brimming with the muscle-building protein, about 20 gram in 7-ounce cup. It has 1-2 punch of vitamin D and calcium, which turn off cortisol, a stress hormone that causes the body to hang onto the belly fat. With its being low in the both fat and calories, Greek yogurt is the ideal food to add to your diet if you are hoping to lose weight. It can help improve your digestive health and combat against the bloating and excessive gas through the prebiotic it contains. It is also a great source for vitamins and minerals too, with zinc, iodine, potassium and vitamin B5 all active within this yogurt. Hope you are enjoying stuff. Well, keep watching because there is lot more good stuff coming up. But before going on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in protein, so when you consume teaspoon of flax seeds along with the dietary fiber, the protein content suppresses your appetite. Flax seeds are low in starch and sugar, hence they are not high in calories. The monounsaturated fats found in the flax seed help to bring down the body fat and lower the cholesterol levels. With high levels of fiber, the seeds will keep your digestive system in good health and reduce bloated feelings. Coffee. Scientists have found that drinking a cup of coffee can stimulate brown fat and aid weight loss. Stimulated brown fat can burn calories to generate body heat. Caffeine in coffee has been studied for its efficiency in increasing metabolism and burning fat. Coffee has been proven to increase your body metabolic rate by around 3 to 13%. A study conducted suggests that the people who consume coffee before exercise burn 17% more fat than those who did not take coffee. However, since caffeine is connected with the anxiousness and insomnia, try to limit it to 2 or 3 cups per day. Yes, coffee without sugar is most efficient. Berries. Don't look at size. Berries are little, they are fierce. Goji berries, raspberries, blackberries and strawberries are all high in fiber and low in sugar and high in antioxidants. But that's not all to these fat burning foods. They can help stabilize blood glucose or blood sugar, suppress appetite and increase metabolism. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, which works with other enzymes in your body to help to break down and digest fats. Research suggests that it also aids in appetite suppression and increase the fat excretion. Plus 100 grams of serving of pineapple, about 2 thin slices contain 58% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which your body needs to keep your skin strong and to counter the damaging free radical effects of exercise and pollution. Coconut oil. It is a dietary miracle, a fat that makes you skinny. Dietary supplementation of coconut oil actually reduced abdominal obesity in a study published in the Journal of Lipids. Thanks use medium chain triglycerides, which are burned as energy instead of being stored as fat, and lauric acid, which has been shown to pinpoint belly fat and torch it. The magic lies in the composition of medium chain fatty acids, which are metabolized differently than the longer chain fats. As they move directly to the liver from the digestive tract, they are immediately used by your body for energy. Coconut oil also helps to pump up your metabolism because it is thermogenic. That means it helps to boost energy expenditure as compared to the same amount of calories from the other kind of fat. Celery. The theory is that you can lose weight by eating lots of these negative calorie foods. Celery is commonly cited example because it is mainly water and fiber. Curb your snacking habits by munching on some celery sticks, composed of 75% of water, 25% of fiber and other roughages. Celery sticks contain far fewer calories than your body will take to digest them. Apart from burning more calories than it contained, celery also helps to keep you full for a longer period of time. Lemon water. This is the cheapest trick to fat loss. One of the most underappreciated magic fat burning elixirs is water. The more water you drink, the fuller you will feel. The easier it is to cut back on unnecessary calories. Water is necessary to keep your metabolism functioning optimally. For even more of a kick, add a lemon to your glass. D-limonene, an antioxidant in lemon peel, has been shown to have therapeutic effect on metabolic disorders in mice with high fat diet induced obesity. Lemon water keeps you hydrated, increase your metabolism and satiety, and all of these factors help in weight loss. It is said 1 glass of lemon water burns a minimum of 6 calories, and this is the main factor that makes it a weight loss agent. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is low calorie density food, so people feel they can fill up on one as an appropriate snack. It's also high in antioxidants including vitamin C and beta carotene to support healthy immune system function. Plus, it has a ton of fiber at 3 grams per fruit. Whole grain, oats, brown rice, etc. Carbs are your body's go-to fuel source. People often cut carbs for weight loss, but regularly eating complex carbohydrate like oats, buckwheat, brown rice actually helps your metabolism. You are less likely to struggle with craving, and your body works more efficiently because you are well fueled. Note, if you are choosing more processed grains like bread, be sure to check the ingredients label for 100% whole wheat or 100% whole grain, since products simply labeled whole wheat have part of the healthy grain removed during processing. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes are a great source of protein. 7 grams in half a cup of black beans to help you to build muscle, burn fat and keep you satisfied. A massive dose of both soluble and insoluble fiber, 7 grams total, also help you to prevent blood sugar spikes for a slower, steadier energy burn. Fiber helps you to build stool bulk, physically filling up your system when it interacts with water. It also helps things more efficiently through your digestive tract, supporting digestive health. Whey protein. Whey protein has been shown to support muscle repair, building and retention. And since muscle burns more calories than fat, it helps to support an efficient metabolism. If you regularly lifting weights, adding a scoop of whey or other protein supplements like pea, egg, soy or casein to shakes or oatmeal as a quick post-workout meal to get the most bang for your buck. Or if you are feeling extra creative, whip up your own protein fudge or energy bars at home. Chicken and turkey. Turkey, chicken and other lean meats are a great source of protein, so you will feel satisfied and not hungry. All animal proteins are also a good source of tryptophan, which is a precursor to the neurotransmitter serotonin. If you struggle with the mood or stress, it is important to boost the production of serotonin to stabilize your mood, curb emotional eating, and keep stress-induced snacking at bay, especially when you are trying to lose weight. But when it comes to the portion, opt for the 100 gram serving, which is about the size of deck of cards for reference. Milk offers tons of bone building calcium, 300 mg in 1 cup, and animal protein 8 grams. And you don't have to choose the low fat varieties to enjoy those benefits. In fact, opting for 2% of whole milk, you will get more calories, but it tends to be more satisfying. You actually absorb some of the nutrients better, including vitamin D and A, if there is some fat in there. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts have healthy fat, fiber and protein, which is great combo to keep you energized and satisfied. A quarter cup of whole nuts or 2 tablespoons nut butter is a good max serving for most people. That many whole almonds, for example, nets you 200 calories, 7.5 grams of protein, 18 grams of filling, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, and 4.5 grams of fiber per the USDA. Some nuts like walnuts boast a tiny dose of ALA and omega-3 fatty acid that may help to tame inflation. Which of these food you eat regularly? What are your go-to foods for weight loss? Let us know in the comment section below.